謠言喺學生之間傳開咗 ，because you not all the time you can condense it, right? So just now you cannot say 官間 or 員間 here you cannot say 學間 or 生間 ，OK? You can still say 學生之間 ，and then when 學生之間 you can say if you want to say the rumor among the student 學生之間嘅謠言傳開咗 ，OK? But you cannot omit the 嘅 because when 學生之間 cannot be condensed, then you cannot add so many words together without a 嘅啦，所以學生之間嘅謠言傳開咗啦。我話呢個謠言喺學生之間傳開咗啦。阿莊同另一個女同事之間嘅緋聞 that means the relation between a man and a lady but not lawful, okay? So 阿 John 同 Mary 之間嘅緋聞傳開咗啦，係咪？But because you cannot condense John and Mary together, okay? At least you use 你 and 我 for example the first person say to you they spread out our rumor be spread out, so I can say 你我之間嘅謠言傳開咗啦，你我之間啦 ，yeah so 你我 you can condense。學生but you can only say 你我之間 you can say 你間我間 because it is between you and me, so this is already the condensed way 你我之間 or 佢哋之間or 男女之間so yeah only 民間 or 人間 you can condense 人間because 人間 that means it is not among people 人間咧 actually that means the place where people live間 here means the 空間 the space, so 人間 that means the world 啦the planet that the people is living in, so this is 人間. So sometimes we say too many evils in the world, then we just say because this is 人間, this is a human world, this is the world, so this is 人間, this is not heaven, 呢個唔係天堂。Because sometimes say, it seems like hell, so many tragedy. No, a hell will even have more tragedies. You will be burned, okay? Maybe, but here, it is only 人間。人間 means all human beings living here because of their evil, because of their weakness, because of their conflicts. Okay, then there might be some tragedy.But it's still not yet hell. Of course, it is also not yet heaven. So this is 人間 yeah. Similar, but you can still say that there is different. For example, just now I give you an example. This is a human world. 呢個人間啫 that means a place where human beings live in. Okay, so that is 人間. But when I say 民間咧 that means among the people. Because just like I say 間 can be a space. For example, 空間 is a space. 時間 means the time. And then 之間 means among. So 民間 more denote the meaning of among the people. Of course, you spell out among the people here. That means the people living in this area. You can still say that民間 that means the public. Okay, you spell out in the public. Okay, that means everyone knows it. Okay, so it's different. 人間 means the world, the human world. Okay, 民間 means the space, the area, or the community among the group of people.Maybe just in a city or in a country. Yeah, that's 民間 Yeah. And 民間 is opposite to the royal family. For example, there are some rumor about the royal couples, and then it spread out in the public, okay, among the people. Then the royal maybe the government councillor will advise the royal couples. Oh, you cannot do that because you will spread out in the public among the people. The royal you will be bad for the royal family. Okay, so 民間 and 皇室嗱，you can say 皇室之間 royal family is 皇室啦 ，OK。And then if they have some conflict between the members, then you can say 皇室裏邊 or 皇室成員 means the member， 皇室成員之間就嘅紛爭就傳開晒啦 ，OK。醜聞啦，皇室成員嘅醜聞就傳開晒啦 ，OK。English is a standard rule. Chinese you can base on some rule to condense some word, to expand some word, but not all the time they will follow the rule. Not following rule is also one of the rules. Can you understand? Yeah, this is Chinese. It seems very philosophical.